Alright, welcome back guys. Today we're going to do yet another CodeChef problem. This time we're going to do it in Python. Today we're going to do life, the universe, and everything. So it reads, your program is to use brute force approach in order to find the answer to life, the universe, and everything. More precisely, rewrite small numbers from input to output. Stop processing input after reading in the number 42. All numbers at input are integers of 1 or 2 digits. To give you some sample cases. Okay, so as always, start the project. Have the prompt in there just in case it gets lost. So, first things first, I'm gonna make an array. So we shall call it my array. I'm still rusty with Python, so it's gonna be a challenge. Next thing we want to do is we want to take input. So we can do that. We'll give a nice little prompt as well. Enter any number less than 42. 42, right? Yeah, 42. They want it as integers. So I believe this shall solve that problem. Okay, so at the very least, right now what we have is an array, empty array, and the first line that's going to take input. So what do you do with that input? Well, we would obviously add it to the array, but first we need to make sure that the number 42, whether or not the number 42 is being entered. So we'll do that in a while loop. So while user input is less than 42, my array dot append. This is just adding it to the actual array. User input. And we should allow for numbers to continue to be entered until 42 is in there, right? So user input. So we'll just ask the person to enter more values, just like before. Enter any number less than 42. Okay. So the last thing we want to do is we want to print it. We want to print the values until it is time, until 42 is triggered, right? Oh no, I'm sorry. We want to print the values. We're going to keep storing the values inside that my array, and once 42 is entered, we're going to print out the values. Print value. Let's see what happens. I remember Python being indent sensitive, so I don't think I want to have that. Okay, enter any number. 399. Not quite. Okay, so that didn't work. And that's because my logic here is wrong. It's not that. It's less than 42. Because then it'll stop if you put any number over 42. It's when it's not equal to 42. Right? So let's see what. Input 1. Input 2. 88. 42. There you go. So there you have it. That's short and simple. There's other videos for Python CodeChef, as well as some of them in C# for CodeChef. So check them out, subscribe. There's plenty more to come. They're probably not all going to be this easy though. So best of luck. Thanks.